Krytox GPL 205G0. Lubricant Syringe, why it's great. High viscosity lubricant optimized to silence and smoothen keyboard stabilizers. Features: lubricants up to 280 switches. Syringe for precise application. Works with MX-style stabilizers. Eliminates scratching noises. Ideal for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts seeking ultra-smooth switches and quieter stabilizers. Click the link in the description to get your Krytox GPL 205G0 lubricant syringe. YIMAGUJRX Acrylic Lube Station Kit, why it's great. A complete kit for efficient and precise keyboard lubrication. Features lube station for 32 switches, aluminum opener for cherry mechs and others, lubrication grease for 350 switches, tools like pullers, tweezers, and brush. Ideal for DIY custom keyboard builders and enthusiasts. Click the link in the description to get the YIMAGUJRX Acrylic Lube Station Kit. RUNJRX Keyboard Lube Kit with JRX 205G0. Why it's great? Comprehensive kit for switch lubrication and maintenance. Features: JRX 205G0 grease for 450, 500 switches, aluminum opener for MX series, claw grabber, lubrication pens, and tools. Ideal for custom keyboard enthusiasts focused on precise and clean switch lubing. Click the link in the description to get the RUNJRX Keyboard Lube Kit with JRX 205G0. Keyboard Lube GPL 205G0. Why it's great. Enhances typing feel and keyboard flexibility. Features: 0.42 Oz. GPL 205G0. Grease for 300 switches. Includes 2 lubrication pens. Suitable for stabilizers, springs, and switches. Ideal for mechanical keyboard users aiming for smoother and more responsive keys. Click the link in the description to get the Keyboard Lube GPL 205G0.